I'm excited today to show you a new feature that we've added to Ablestar Bulk Product Editor. Within the app, we have a lot of different search fields here, but sometimes it gets hard to go through and figure out exactly what you're looking for. To make this easier, we've just released an AI search for the app. So all you have to do now is just type in what you want and the app will find those for you. So if we want products on sale, we can do that, and that will be converted to a filter here. Sometimes the results might be a little bit different, but you always have the exact filters here so you can be sure that you're looking for just the products you need. We can go ahead and show you a few other examples. One other nice thing you can do is you can chain these different ones together. So I can say, and profit margin, say less than 20. And we'll bring back these products here with the price or the margin below 20%. We also have filters for dates, so we can say things like within last 30 days, draft status with no images, and we'll send that off and the AI should be able to generate the exact filters that we need there. There's also some support for metafields here, so we can say like subtitle, which is a metafield, is set, and the app will just pull back the products that have the subtitle metafield set. We also have some fuzzy matching for collection names and tags. So I could say something like tagged with on sale, but if I forget the last E, the app should still be able to recognize that and do that. And the same thing works with the collection. So if I say home page collection like that and do a search, it will pull back the correct collection here in just a second. One last example here we can do is something like made in China and over 1 pound. And this behind the scenes will convert any weights you put into grams so it can be run across all variants regardless of their weight unit and then displayed here. For those of you who are used to using more command line tools, you can also push up and down to go to the previous entries that you made here. So that's a quick look at our AI-powered search for Ablestar Bulk Product Editor. The filters are still the same ones as before, so you're sure the products will match exactly, but we're just using the AI to help generate those filters and make the process of finding the products you want to edit easier. Right now we're rolling this out to select users, but if you want to get ahead in line, you can just contact us and we can enable it for your store. Thanks for watching.